Hello and welcome to Civil Field Trainers. My name is Shadab. I'm coming up with a new training called as construction sequence of a real life project. Now before we get into it, there's one important announcement that there is a link in the description, a WhatsApp group link that will expire after 3 days. Okay, so please watch this video till the end to understand what is the importance of that WhatsApp group and how you can benefit from it and from this training. Alright, so let's get started. So if you can answer these questions to me, the questions being how to mark a grid on the site, what are column starters, and what is a grade slab. If you can answer these questions to me, then this training of construction sequence of a real life project that I'm coming up with, this training is not for you. Okay, if you have bought a course on site engineering already, then please don't buy this course. So who is this course for? This course is for basically fresher civil engineers and architects who have zero experience on the site. Maybe they are in third year or fourth year, they have just passed out and they have no idea how the work is carried on the site. If they want to gain that exposure, then this course is for them. Second is for structural designers like me. For a long period of time, even I was just chained to my desk doing the work day in and day out, but I had little to no field exposure. All right. And lastly, anyone who wants to get their house constructed, for these three type of people only, I have created this course. All right. Moving forward. So what is not covered in this course? Again, I'm going with no's first, then I'm going with yeses. So what is not covered in this course? Quantity surveying and bar bidding schedule. That's a different skill set that you need to have, which is not covered in this course. So what is covered in this course basically? Step-by-step exposure to the sequence of construction. Okay, multiple projects with site photos and videos, drawing reading, Excel sheet, and SketchUp parts also are there in this. So basically what I mean it, let me escape from here. So when I say step-by-step exposure sequence of a construction, if I take you to the ClassPace here, my platform, you can see here, right? Introduction, project introduction, you can see step-by-step everything is there. How the grids are marked, how the footings are marked, how the excavation is carried out, everything. And see more or less on YouTube, there are a lot of Hindi videos available, but there are no English videos available to help you explain how the work is carried on site completely. Okay. So the very first thing that you'll learn is step-by-step exposure to the sequence of construction. Then multiple projects are there in this. Okay. The major project is Tilnu project. This is the project that will be focusing on mainly, but we have Matikari and a couple other projects also, and Kolkata is actually a client. It's not a project that is done in Kolkata. Okay, please don't misunderstand that. So there are 3 to 4 projects. Step by step we will go. I think from the underground water tank level, from this part, I have taken it to multiple projects. Until neck columns, I have given you Tilnu project, its exposure completely. Okay, so there will be multiple projects with site photos and videos. Drawing reading will be there. Excel sheet and SketchUp. That is basically this. So if you see here, day one, clearing of site. Day two, marking of grids and footing. Day three, excavation. And to do this work, what kind of drawings do I need? I need site plan, I need grid layout, I need footing layout with schedule and everything. So when you issue a drawing, okay, basically what drawings are issuing and what work is getting executed on the site based on those drawings. Okay, so this relation I'll establish properly. So you'll be learning what? You'll be learning also drawing reading. You'll read the drawings and then you'll understand how the drawing is executed on the site, step by step, stage by stage, day by day. Okay, so if you see from the footing to very first slab casting, everything is covered in this course. So going forward, let me move forward. So what is the main objective? So basically, if I have to summarize this entire training in one single line, okay, what is going to be the main objective of this training? The main objective is going to be for you to gain confidence. Okay, the main objective is this, for you to gain confidence by doing what? By exposing yourself to the drawings and their execution on site. As I have already said, not one, but there'll be 3 to 4 different projects over here from the execution standpoint of view. Okay, so you'll be watching all these 4 projects and you'll be understanding how the work is being executed on all these 3 to 4 projects. Okay, again from the underground water tank level, I have covered multiple projects. So you'll get a complete understanding, and by that you'll get confidence. All right. So main objective is what? What is the main objective? For you to gain confidence by exposing yourself to the drawings and their execution on site. Okay. Now, lastly, there is no need to maintain any notes for this. Okay. It is not a PDF heavy training. It's a beginner friendly course. Just watch the videos, and in a matter of hours, your knowledge about site work, drawing reading will go up. Okay. Someone were asking me for the brochure basically. So if you come to the this course is not launched yet. Okay, it is going to launch on Monday. So if you see, everything is covered here from the grids marking, footing marking, excavation, okay, column marking, bar bending, all the way till lintel and chhaja on site execution. On site, the execution of lintel and chhaja. Okay. So what is the WhatsApp offer that I was talking about? See, the course is going to get launched on Monday, 20th November 2023. I'm going to launch this course. The launch offer on the app is going to be 499 rupees. Okay, generally my courses are anywhere between 799 to 1499 rupees. So later on, the price will definitely increase. But for launch offer on the app, the price is going to be 499 rupees. But the people who join the WhatsApp group, okay, if you're watching this before Tuesday, basically the next 3 days, if you're watching the next 3 days, the WhatsApp group offer is 199 rupees. I'll give you a specific coupon code. Okay, you can just apply the coupon code in the payment section and you can get the course for 199 rupees. All right. So only for the people who join the WhatsApp group, for them it will be 199 rupees only. Okay. So limited number of coupons will be there. First come first serve basis will be there. All right. So just join the WhatsApp group. As soon as the courses are launched, I'll give the coupon code to you on the WhatsApp group. You can apply the coupon code first come first serve basis. If you're lucky, you will get that course at 199 rupees directly. Okay. So WhatsApp group link is there in the description. Please go and join if you think this training is worth it. If you have any doubts, let me know. I'll be there in the comment section. Thank you.